respect you? This is my property. You're not allowed to block my driveway.
I said
Don't be a prick.
I said I'll move.
You think I'm playing?
Yeah.
Your daughter better take record of how stupid her father is.
Yeah, all right.
Keep recording.
All right.
If it goes
that
online,
off.
your ass will be sued too.
Cut that. You ain't got to do that. That's
I
it.
ain't got nothing.
That's for my safety.
I'm telling her to cut this off. I'm telling her to cut this off.
You think I ain't got nothing?
Well, record. You record. You pulling a gun on a guy in the middle on the city
man.
property.
Listen.
Do whatever.
I am
got
going to
a
do
gun,
whatever.
too. I'm smart
This is
enough
my
not to pull it
property.
out.
I'll
Why
do
do
what
you
I
argue?
want.
If I say
Do not block somebody's driveway. Get your dumb out of here.
yeah, you the dumb one.
Dumb shoot you dead.
That's what happened.
Like
Hey,
you.
I'm just smart. Both
Dumb
of us got guns.
like
Both
you.
of us got guns. I'm just smarter than you. You an
Smarter?
asshole.
You think?
You think?
You think?
You think?
You think?
You see, but if I'd have pulled mine,
You think?
If I'd have pulled mine,
You think?
if I'd have pulled mine,
This is my property. I'd have shot you dead and you would have went to
this
jail.
is city property out here.
No, it's not, brother.
On the
I
road.
work
You
for the
can't
city.
block.
Don't tell me.
You can't block somebody's
I'm
driveway.
not. Am I blocking your driveway now?
Yes, you were.
Am I blocking it now?
Not now.
Okay, well, thank you then.
Then why are you still
arguing?
talking?
You ain't got nothing else to do.
Then why are you still
'Cause
talking?
you still talking.
Because you're a dumb.
You a dumb.
You're a dumb.
Man, I just told you.
Dumb.
You want to show your gun off? We all got it.
You ain't got.
You right. I'm just smarter.
You ain't got. I'll blast your head off because you're a.